Did you know that a night janitor once found blood and chalk body outlines throughout his office building with no memory of how they got there? When he checked the security cameras, he watched himself cleaning those exact same crime scenes the night before, moving like he was sleepwalking. The next morning, local news reported murders in those precise locations with details matching what he had cleaned. But here's where it gets terrifying. His cleaning cart contained evidence bags filled with watches, jewelry, and phones from future victims who hadn't even been reported missing yet. Police records showed each crime happened exactly 24 hours after he cleaned the scene. When he searched for answers, he discovered his own missing person report filed 6 months earlier. He had died in a workplace accident. The janitor realized he was trapped in a supernatural loop where his ghost was forced to clean tomorrow's crime scenes. But his cleaning was creating the psychic energy that attracted the violence, making him the one causing the very murders he was trying to prevent.